To get into the settings on your RJS i5000 barcode verifier, hold the Print button and press the right arrow. The settings are laid out by section, with each section titled in green. The first section, Symbology Settings, is where you select which type of symbology you are verifying with the verifier. Some symbologies have multiple types, and you can change the type by using the left and right arrow keys, as seen here. Next, you will see section for each scan head. We will go through each individual scan head settings in different videos, but there is the camera scan head, the auto optic scan head, and the CR2/CR3 scan head. Further down, you will see the section System Settings. In this section, you can select the minimum passing grade and minimum marginal grade. The worldwide standard is a 1.5 or higher, so I have my i5000 set at 1.5 passing and 2.5 marginal. Anything below the passing grade will appear as red and fail on the verifier. Anything between the passing and marginal grade will appear as yellow and give a warning on the verifier, and anything above the marginal grade will be green on the verifier. Just below this section, you can select to see a pass/fail screen to appear for 1 to 5 seconds directly after verifying a code. This can be a quick, easy check for your users, showing red for fail and green for pass. There is also an option to select which reporting type you are using. Reporting features are an add-on purchase to the i5000 barcode verifier, and your options are either a software or a desktop printer. The rest of the settings are where you can change the time settings and units. Once you have completed your changes, make sure you go to the very bottom and select Exit with Save. Without this save, the verifier will not save any changes you made. After 1 minute of no activity in the settings menu, you'll be prompted with the following message to save your changes. Press the blue select button to save. Although it is not in the settings, another important page can be found by holding the Print button and pressing the Power button. On this page, you can see the battery life, firmware version, serial number, date, and on the bottom you can see when the last calibrations were completed. Press Up to exit this screen. This concludes the basic settings of the RJS i5000. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.